I feel this is untenable as well. Okay, let's see if we can move away from that. Okay, Scotland. This is like the Shetland Islands, something about the weather up here. There's something like really full on. Actually, I did get the one of the episodes just after Christmas. I got the fire in the high-rise building and also Chicago and this massive snowfall. I don't know if anything's been seen in Milwaukee, but that did come up. So that was a gas explosion, 20-story residential building in New York, and just the top was on fire. So I don't actually know if that was tragic or not. I'm sure it could had potential. And then the Chicago, there was a big uh, in some regions in the States, there was some, really full-on cold weather and snowfalls. And so that occurred in Chicago. And I feel Scotland, there's something as well, something big where the snowfall or the weather is kind of taken just um, another step. So the cold is very cold and the hot is very hot is what we're seeing. So like storms, but ice and snow and something along those lines. Kind of like cutting off transportation and normal transport routes